Hi, welcome to a market update for June 2025 for Loudoun County. We're going to start with the whole county and then break down Ashburn into the two zip codes, 20147 and 20148.
In June, for the entire county of Loudoun, we had 496 listings, which is down 18.8% month over month, also down 1% year over year.
We had 527 properties go under contract in June, which is up 4.8% month over month and also up 5.8% year over year.
519 properties closed, which is up 1.6% month over month and up 0.4% year over year.
The median sold price was $805,000, which is up 3.9% month over month and up 6.6% year over year.
Average days on market was 17.
The average sold to original list price was 99.5%, so just under ask. Now let's break down zip code 20147 in Ashburn.
New listings, we had 96 in June, which is down 8.6% month over month, but up 24.7% year over year.
We had 91 properties go under contract in June, which is up 7.1% month over month, and also up 13.8% year over year.
86 properties closed in June, which is down 4.4% month over month, also down 3.4% year over year.
The median sold price is $791,785, which is up 8.1% month over month and also up 7.7% year over year.
Average days on market is 14.
And the average sold to original list price ratio is 100.5%. Now let's look at 20148.
New listings in 20148 Ashburn and June. We had 81 new listings in June, which is down 28.9% month over month, also down 18.2% year over year.
We had 92 properties go under contract in June, which is up 16.5% month over month and also up 33.3% year over year.
86 properties closed, which is up 36.5% month over month and also up 11.7% year over year.
The median sold price was $850,002, which is up 3.7% month over month, but down 1.9% year over year.
Average days on market was 24.
The average sold to original list price ratio is 99.3%, so just under asking. We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors of Loudoun County. Reach out if we could be of any help or assistance with your real estate needs.